If you're seeing CapCut error 4390, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly what this error means and how to fix it fast, step by step. CapCut error 4390 usually points to an export failure caused by hardware encoding conflicts or corrupted media, so the good news is that this is often fixable without reinstalling the app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to disable hardware acceleration, clear your cache, and change your export settings so you can get your video rendered properly again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's jump in. First, we're going to disable hardware acceleration. This is one of the most common fixes for CapCut error 4390 because hardware encoding can sometimes conflict with your system or cause the export process to fail. To do this, open CapCut and click the menu button in the top left corner. From there, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on the Performance tab. Now look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If this is turned on, uncheck it. Then click Save to apply the change. This step is important because it switches CapCut away from the hardware encoding path that may be causing the error. After that, close CapCut completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure the app is fully shut down. Then reopen CapCut again. On the main project selection screen, look to the top right corner and click the hexagon or settings icon. In this area, you'll find the Clear Cache option. Click it to remove temporary files that may be conflicting with your export. Cache files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and clearing them gives CapCut a fresh start. Once the cache is cleared, go back and try your project again. If the error still shows up, the next fix is to change your export settings. Open the project that you want to export and click Export in the top right corner. Now look at your resolution settings. If you were exporting in 4K, try lowering it to 1080p instead. A lower resolution can reduce the strain on your system and help CapCut complete the export successfully. You should also check the format. If your project is set to MOV, switch it to MP4. MP4 is often more stable and more compatible for exports, especially when CapCut is struggling with encoding issues. After making those changes, click Export again and see if the video finishes properly. If your export still fails after that, it's worth reviewing the media inside your project. Corrupted clips, broken audio files, or damaged assets can also trigger export problems, like CapCut error 4390. Try removing any recently added files, one at a time, and re-exporting to see whether one of them is causing the conflict. This can help you isolate the problem quickly without rebuilding the entire project. Now let's do a quick recap. First, disable speed up hardware encoding in CapCut settings. Second, restart the app and clear the cache from the main screen. Third, lower the export resolution and switch the format to MP4 if needed. These three fixes solve a lot of CapCut export issues, especially when error 4390 is caused by hardware encoding conflicts or corrupted temporary files. If this video helped you fix the issue, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.